And the race is on. From the outside is Lovable Princess. Erica's jump gun with the win. It's now Lovable Princess by a neck. By the rel is Erica's jump. Rushing up is Thunder Ribbon Gun with the win. Kate Ganda rushing up in between runners to take third spot. And racing in sixth, Dragon May alongside Super Elegant, Apple Green, and Pot Pot Slum. Lovable Princess from the outside, Erica's champ. Kate Ganda is running by Drell third. And nearing the far turn, two runners keep on matching strides. Lovable Princess, Erica's champ. Kate Ganda is running by Drell. Lovable Princess by a length and a half. Kate Ganda is running by Drell, Erica's champ. And racing in fourth is Dragon May, Super Elegant, Thunder Ribbon. As they race the final corner, Lovable Princess, Kate Ganda is running by Drell, fighting it out for the lead. It's the Lovable Princess, Kate Ganda is running by Drell. Kate Ganda, Lovable Princess, but still Kate Ganda by Drell, Lovable Princess, and nearing the finish line. Esilim on Kate Ganda, Lovable Princess, Dragon Maid, Super Elegant, Close, Erica's Champ, Apple Green.